Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make braised beef brisket cooked by pressure pot. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipes of many other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients. The full recipe is in description underneath the video. I prefer to use beef finger meat like this. Cut the beef into 2-inch long pieces. Do not cut them too small, as they shrink a lot after cooking. Place the meat into a pot of cold water, then bring it to boil. Turn to medium heat and continue to boil for 5 minutes. Rinse the beef under tap water to wash away all the dirt. Drain the water and wipe dry the beef. This is how the bean curd steak look like. Soak them in cold water for 1 hour. Peel the white radish. Cut into pieces similar to the size of beef. Peel carrot and cut into pieces. Cut the white parts out from the green onions. Tear the green parts into thin strips. Cut shallots into tiny pieces. Mince the garlic. I prefer to use a spoon to scrape off skin from the ginger, rather than using a knife to peel. Cut the ginger into slices. Let's prepare the dry spices. We have bay leaf, cinnamon stick, liquorice, and star anise. All placed inside a tiny tea bag. Here is fermented red bean curd, which you can find in Asian grocery stores. Always weigh and measure ingredients. Press the red bean curd into a paste. This is the柱sauce I prefer to use. Oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, rock sugar. Press the saute button on the pressure pot to heat up 1 tablespoon of oil, then add ginger slices to pan fry. When fragrant, add shallots, garlic, and the white parts of green onion and continue to saute. Add the red bean curd and cooking wine. Add the beef now and continue to saute. Add the sauces, then the hot water. Continue to saute, then add rock sugar and a small bag of dry spices. When the sauce starts to boil, turn off the sauté. Close lid and pressure. Pressure cook for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, cut the bean curd steak into 3-inch long pieces. Carefully release pressure and open the lid after 30 minutes of cooking. Add carrots and white radish. Stir well, then close lid and pressure cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, carefully release pressure and open the lid. Add bean curd steak and press the sauté button. Sauté for a few minutes until the bean curd steak becomes to soften more. Also, the sauce starts to evaporate a bit. Mix 1 teaspoon cornstarch with 1 tablespoon water and pour into the beef. Sauté until the sauce thickens a bit. We may taste now and add the final seasonings if necessary. Cook briefly, then scoop out. The yummy beef brisket is now ready to serve. Enjoy!